welcome back to another video of V Robotics, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a burglar alarm simple and easy to make, and you can make it at home with just simple things. So here is the view of the connection. So I used a small buzzer and a small IR sensor. The connections are given below. So and the code is also given below. So after uploading it to the Arduino, you can connect the things. Now connect a jack to Arduino. Let me just connect it. So after connecting, guys, let me show you the working. So it should work like this. When IR sensor detects something, the buzzer should buzz. This you can make this in lot of projects like burglar alarm or animal fence protection. So when an animal comes near the fence, that the buzzer should be buzz. So see, it's buzzing, and let me show you another. So it is perfectly fine, and it should work like this. I've only used a buzzer and a IR sensor, so you can make this easily. And I Arduino Uno R3. The connections and the code is given in the description. So thank you guys. Bye bye.